Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Pali voters ready to decide. Fourth day of IFFI gets good response. Dream to build Film City caught up in controversy. And 3 shops gutted down in Panji, 6 lakhs lost to the shopkeepers. Now the news in detail. Few hours are left for Pali election. Independent candidate Suresh Amonkar, BJP candidate Pramod Sawant and Congress candidate Pratap Gawas all are sure of their own victory. But ultimately people of Pali hold the key. Here we get you a report.
Suresh Amonkar, the independent candidate, expressed his happiness over the good response he has got from the voters of Pali constituency.
लोकांकडसून एकदम उत्कृष्ट असो प्रतिसाद मेळिल्लो आसा. फाटले ऑलमोस्ट 10 ते 12 वर्सां हांव हांगा ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काम करता. त्यामुळे ऑलमोस्ट सगळे लोक म्हाका आतां म्हाका खबर आसा लोकांक आनी हांवूय लोकांक खबर आसा. त्यामुळे सगळी कडेन म्हाका बरे रिती प्रतिसाद मेळिल्लो आसा. कार्यकर्त्यांनी म्हाका भारतीय जनता पार्टीचो जरी नसलो तरी भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे 90% ऑफ द कार्यकर्त्यांनी आपलो रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह म्हणून म्हाका ही फावट हांगासर दवरलेलो आसा.
BJP State President Shripad Naik showed his full confidence in the new face of party, Pramod Sawant.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी जवळजवळ 50% पेक्षा जास्त मतां घेऊन विजय प्राप्त करतली असो आमचो आत्मविश्वास आसा.
Wait a minute. Vishnu Suryawag, the General Secretary of GPCC, too has shown his confidence over the victory of Congress candidate Pratap Gawas. For that matter, he has given figures too.
पक्षाचे पदाधिकारी आणि आमकां समर्थन दिवपी बाकीचे पक्ष आणि अपक्ष ह्या सगळ्यांच्या पाठिंब्यान ह्या पोटवेंचणुकेन काँग्रेस पक्षाचो उमेदवार श्री प्रताप गावस हो कमीत कमी 2 ते 2.5 हजारांचे मताधिक्य घेवन लीड घेवन निवडून येतलो अशी आमकां पुराय खात्री आसा.
Whereas Vishwajit Rane, the face behind the victory of Pali MLA, late Gurudas Gaus in last assembly election, has confirmed that people of Pali will vote for the development.
Election result should not only be the objective. Objective should be development, and I am confident people will vote for development.
So, the conclusion is, these 3 candidates claim their own victory. Let's see on 26th what the voters think. Watch our special bulletin on Pali election after this bulletin. Our reporter Uday Parab in Pali and Laukik Shilkar in Panji.
Tuesday is the 4th day of the 39th IFFI in Goa. IFFI has witnessed marvelous response by the delegates visiting Goa from different parts of the world.
With different films screened at all 5 major venues, the response to IFFI seems to have doubled than last year. Bollywood films like Roadside Romeo, Iqbal, Hanuman and Bachna Ae Hasino has brought the viewers on their toes at all the venues. At the same time, IFFI Concert 2008 was also inaugurated at Municipal Garden Stage at Kepe. Art and Culture member Udit Sarkari, Sarpanch of Ambauli, Afex Cardozo and Emily Babu Kavlekar were present for the function. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Plans of Goa government to build a film city in the state seems to be getting little more controversial. Health Minister Vishwajit Rane plans to build a health center on the land which they were unopposed to utilize for Film City. Our exclusive report by Laukik Shilkar.
Goa government is toying with an idea of creating a film city since last 3 years. First it was Keri land at Ponda, but nothing was done. Speaking to Prudent Media, Chief Secretary of Goa JP Singh disclosed the information about the new land they have identified.
No, we have been trying to locate suitable land for the film city. It requires about 100 to 150 acres. That is why now we have been trying to locate land so that there will be no problem in setting up the. So we had located some land in Swari Taluka, belonging to the agriculture department. We are trying to get the concurrence of the agriculture department for that land.
Agriculture department is ready to give the land?
No, we have talked to them. They have some other plans. We are trying to see whether we can work out a solution by which that land can be taken and they can do their plans elsewhere. We have to still sit down with the agriculture department and sort this out. Keri was also identified at one time, but that also, there are various options. Keri is also another option which is there. We have to, now we have to see that now. That's what I'm saying. Now CM has also said that after IFFI, we'll sit down and try to work out a solution.
Revenue for Goa government?
Yeah, much more revenue for Goa government.
How? In what?
How? Because of all this economic activity will generate. Animation films will be made. From production, houses will come here to shoot. They will spend a lot more money here. The local hospitality industry, the hotel industry, all will benefit. There will be a lot more ancillary industries will come up. There will be a lot of activities, economic activities that will be generated by this film city.
Now, the identified land was there with Agriculture Department and now it is transferred to the Health Department. Goa Health Minister and also the Agriculture Minister Vishwajit Rane is planning to have Health Hub at the same place as he feels that the film city is not so important for Goa. Speaking to Prudent Media, he informed that till he is a minister, he will not allow anything else to come up on the land.
पण त्या जमनीचेर फिल्म सिटीचो प्रश्नच येना कित्याक ते ऑलरेडी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसान हांवें ट्रान्सफर केल्ली आसा. फिल्म सिटी काय गोंयच्या लोकांच्या पोटां भरची ना आनी आरोग्य सेवा काय सुदरची ना आनी चीफ सेक्रेटरीचें मत हे तेजें व्यक्तित्व मत आसूं शकता. हे फिल्म सिटी घालून नये की पणजीचे जवळ फिल्म सिटी घालपाची गरज ना. ते वचून आनी खंय तरी पेडणे त्या सायडीक घालपाचें. खंय प्रायम एरिया ना ती थंय घालपाचें कित्याक हांगा लागीं एक केंद्रबिंदू बस स्टँड कडल्यान 3 किलोमिटर आनी खंयच्यान 4 किलोमिटर म्हणजे कदंबा प्लॅटो पणजीचो भागाचो एक डेव्हलपिंग एक्सटेन्शन जाल्लो आसा. आनी म्हाका तरी दिसता जे बस स्टँड कडल्यान 3 किलोमिटराचेर बांबोलीम येता त्याच तरेन हो कदंबा प्लॅटो बी 3-4 किलोमिटर पणजीच्यान जी आमची जमीन आसा हेल्थ सर्विसीसाची 3-4 किलोमिटर आसा आनी हांगा एक हेल्थ हब आसचो आनी त्या हेल्थ हब एज्युकेशनल हेल्थ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हॉस्पिटल्स हे तरेचे प्रकल्प थंय येवंक जाय अशें तरी म्हाका दिसता. गोंयचे जनतेच्या हितान म्हाका दिसता आनी थंय फिल्म सिटीचो प्रश्नच येना जो पर्यंत हांव मंत्री आसा.
Vishwajit Rane not opposing the film city but most important for him is health of Goa.
फिल्म सिटी गोंयाक जाय पण ते मातशे आउटस्कट्साक व्हरपाची. ते गव्हर्मेंटान आयडेंटिफाय करचे जे खंय एरिया डेव्हलप जावंक ना जे खंय एरिया डेव्हलपमेंट जाय पेडण्या सारक्या भागाक थंय वचपाचे. जे गोंयचे लोकांक आमचे आरोग्य सेवा आमी कशी सुदरूंक शकता. भायले कितलेय लोक हांगा गोंयान येवंक सोदता आनी आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो की जे कितें प्रकल्प आमी हाडटा कांय प्रमाणान कॉलेज हाडल्यार रिजर्वेशन आमच्या गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक जावची. आरोग्य सेवा हाडली तर मेडिक्लेमच्या पेशंटाक फर्स्ट रायट थंय गावचे. आयज गोंयचो लोक कॅन्सर आसूं हार्ट केअर आसूं सगळी कडेन धांवपळ जाता लोकांची गोंय भायर वचून ट्रिटमेंट घेवपाक. म्हणून आमी ही जमीन मुख्यमंत्रीचे कडल्यान क्लियर करून घेवन डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसाक ट्रान्सफर केल्लें आसा आनी ते आमच्या हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी वेवस्थीत विचार करून कितें फुडें करपाचें करतले. पण त्या जमनीचेर फिल्म सिटीचो प्रश्नच येना कित्याक ते ऑलरेडी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसान हांवें ट्रान्सफर केल्ली आसा.
Meanwhile, our reporter contacted Director of Agriculture Department Satish Tendulkar. He had this to say.
I don't know if any of the Agriculture Department area is requisitioned by the government for film city. So far I have not received any proposal or no communication on this aspect. So I don't know what exactly is going to be done in the Agriculture Department property as far as film city is concerned.
If they ask for that land for film city, will you give it?
No, we don't have the land as such because we had some area in Tiswadi Taluka which was about 110 acres of area that has been transferred to the health department. So right now we don't have any land available in Tiswadi of such large magnitude to be provided for the film city.
It is now becoming very interesting that health versus film city. We have to wait and see what happens now. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.